In this video, I'll show you how to rename a page in Microsoft OneNote. Renaming pages is a small habit that makes a big difference. It keeps your sections clean, helps you find notes faster, and makes search results far more useful. Start by opening the notebook that contains the page you want to rename. Go into the section where that page lives. Sections are the tabs that group related pages together, so make sure you're in the right one first. Once inside the section, look for the pages list. Depending on your layout, this list appears on the right or left side, showing all pages stacked vertically. Find the page you want to rename and right-click on its name in that list. Be sure you are clicking the page title, not the section tab. From the menu that appears, choose Rename. The page title becomes editable. Type the new name and press Enter. The updated title will instantly appear both in the page list and at the top of the page itself. There's also a faster option if you already have the page open. Click directly on the page title at the top of the note area. It will switch into edit mode, allowing you to type a new title right away. Press Enter when you're done. This is perfect when you realize mid-note that the title needs to be clearer. A few quick tips. Use short but descriptive titles so you can scan pages easily. Renaming a page does not affect its content, and any links pointing to that page will still work. If the page is a subpage, the rename process is exactly the same and its indentation stays intact. That's it. Either right-click the page name in the list and rename it, or click the title at the top and edit it directly. With just a few seconds, your OneNote stays organized and easy to navigate.